In this video, we will see which tool can be used for development of coding on which we can code. We will use Visual Studio Code. First, we will go to browser and in search we will write Visual Studio Code. This kind of link will be opened. We will install window from here. I already have, so I am not installing. You have to install and run Windows. After this, Visual Studio Code will be opened. In File, we will open Folder. We will run our previous example here to see. The example is opened. Here I have assets folder, script files, style info, and HTML and CSS. We will install a few extensions. We can click on the icon of extension. First, we will install Material extension. With this, we will have icons with all the files, like we have setting file with its icon. Next extension will be a filter, which will help us in formatting. Then we will go to our code. If we see code of JavaScript, we can see functions, brackets which we have got with the help of prettier format. It indicates that with the help of extensions, our code is improved. We can see the icon of JS. If we go to index HTML, then we can see where the tags are closed. We want to see a file of Notepad to check the code and how it is viewed. In Notepad, we don't know where our brackets end, so it's better for us to go in such a format such as Visual Studio Code and work here.